And?
It should be a little bit less quiet. I mean, a little bit less noisy, you know?
Ah.
Exhaust flow. All I got to do now is get Alan to drive the rest of it.
Awesome. Sounds pretty cool.
Yeah, it's leaking a lot, isn't it?
What cam have you got in it?
268, 260. Split profile. G60 turbo.
Sweet.
Custom from America.
There it is.
Newman only does it the other way around.
Sounds well cool.
Sounds like a big jumble of exhaust blows to me.
Yeah, it's blowing a lot.
Oops.
Pretty cool. Smells nice and fuely.
Look at how this is iced up already.
Hey, why?
It's pouring that much air through it. It wants it.
Bloody hell. Actually see it?
Yeah. It's like, give me more. Look at it. You can see it smoking, look. That's it.
Bloody hell.
A lot of tapping, boys.
It's smoking a lot. What is that? It's on fire.
Oh, that's the exhaust anyway.
Sick. Fucking cool.
I love the pinking.
Yeah.
Just with that chop.
You can hear it.
Funny that it's coming from over here.
Whoa, did you see that? Awesome.
Whoops.
Did you see that?
Bogging down, isn't it?
Oh my god. Sick then.